The Observations toolbar appears when you have the instrument toolbar open, and you can tap on it to cycle through different types of information. So here we're looking at the GPS metadata about the position that we're receiving from the receiver right now, and you can see that it's got green check marks, which means it's meeting all the requirements of the current tolerance mode. I can also cycle through and I can see speed and path across the ground. Here I can see my lat long, and there I can see my coordinates, and those values should be updating as we move around, and that's a little confirmation that you've got a live connection to your instrument. Thanks for learning about the observation toolbar with me.